હેલો નમસ્કાર મિત્રો, દરેકનું હાર્દિક સ્વાગત છે. મિત્રો, ધોરણ 10 વિષય ઇંગ્લિશ, જેની અંદર યુનિટ નંબર 2 ધ હ્યુમન રોબોટ. મિત્રો, સાવધાન પોથીનું સંપૂર્ણ સોલ્યુશન આ વિડીયોમાં કરીશું. તે પહેલા ચેનલમાં નવા છો તો ફટાફટ ચેનલને સબસ્ક્રાઇબ કરી દેશો. મિત્રો, યુનિટ 1 જે છે તમારો ભાગ 1 ની અંદર હતું, તેનું સોલ્યુશન મુકાઈ ગયું છે, જેની લિંક આ વિડીયો ડિસ્ક્રિપ્શનમાં આપેલી છે. સેક્શન A થી શરૂ કરીએ છીએ. ફર્સ્ટ છે રીડ ધ એક્સ્ટ્રેક્ટ એન્ડ આન્સર ધ ક્વેશ્ચન. એટલે કે આ જે ફકરો છે વાંચવાનો છે અને તેના આધારે પ્રશ્નોના જવાબ આપવાના છે. પહેલો પ્રશ્ન છે, બટ વોઝ પ્રેમ ચોપરા, વોટ ડઝ ધીસ સીન્સ મીન? આન્સર થશે, the sense meant that Prem Chopra, like counting goal, also appeared confident and composed during the proceeding, despite the usual situation of her robot in the witness box. Question 2. According to Prem Chopra, Ram Singh. Complete the sentence. Answer. According to Prem Chopra, Ram Singh 017 is a robot that operates within a limited radius of a kilometer and has programmed functions like gait, grip, and movement, all well turned and fixed. ત્યારબાદ question 3. Ram Singh can be operated. Answer. Yes, Ram Singh 070 can be operated as he has programmed functions for gait, grip, and movement and is demonstrated by the salesman. Question 4. What made Prem Chopra satisfied? Answer. Prem Chopra satisfied after the salesman demonstrated Ram Singh 070 gait, grip, movement and programmed function, showing that everything was well turned and fixed. ત્યારબાદ પ્રશ્ન 4. Who is asking question to whom? Answer. Counting goal is asking question to the Ram Singh robot. Question 6. Describe the work done by Ram Singh for his master. Answer. Ram Singh performs various household chores for his master, Mr. Prem Chopra, including cleaning, moving the lawn, washing clothing, doing dishes and shopping. ત્યારબાદ પ્રશ્ન 7. How did Ram Singh steal the necklace? Ram Singh ran his metallic palm slightly into the storage until and the necklace went inside without making any sound, click or jingle, so nobody noticed. Question 8. Where was the necklace kept by Ram Singh? Answer. The text does not explicitly state where the necklace was kept by Ram Singh after it was stolen. ત્યારબાદ પ્રશ્ન 9. Prem Chopra was arrested. Answer. Prem Chopra was arrested because he was the owner of Ram Singh 017 the ship. પ્રશ્ન 10. Why was no stolen article found from Prem Chopra's house? Answer. No stolen article were found from Prem Chopra's house because he had clearly disposed them of throughout his gang. ત્યારબાદ મિત્રો આગળ છે પ્રશ્ન 11. રાઇટ શોર્ટ નોટ્સ. તેની અંદર જોઈએ રામસિંહ 070. તો પહેલું આપણે શરૂ કરીએ છીએ. Ram Singh was metallic blue robot. He was perfect programmed to function in the household, cleaning, arranging, collecting, processing for the supermarket, tending the lawn, mailing letters, relating TV programs, selecting news from the paper. He had an it-built system of 3 principles. The robot will obey his master. The robot will not harm humans and the robot will not take harm to self. Ram Singh 070 was totally efficient with treatment speed and accuracy. He stole expensive antiques, ornaments and precious stones for Prem Chopra, his master. At last he was caught stealing precious game when he was in the court. Ram Singh chose to break apart rather than tell a lie, hurt human beings for become unfaithful. ત્યારબાદ question 2 છે following sentence are true or false. 12 છે Ram Singh harmed himself instead of his master, right? Ram Singh was misused by Super Robot Plaza, wrong. Ram Singh's first theft was necklace, right? Ram Singh had an inbuilt system of three principles, right? ત્યારબાદ આગળ કહ્યું છે મિત્રો name your favorite invention and describe how it is useful to the society. લખીએ my favorite invention electricity. One of the most important and life-changing invention is electricity. It is my favorite invention because it plays major role in our everyday lives and in the progress of society. Electricity is useful in countless ways. It powers of homes, schools, hospitals, offices, and industries. Without electricity, we wouldn't have light, fans, refrigerator, computer, or even mobile phones. It helps students study at night, doctors treatment patients with modern machines, and factories produce goods faster. Electricity has also made communication easier. We can use the internet, watch television, and stay connected with people around the world. Transport systems like electric trains and traffic signals also depend on it. In short, electricity has made life more comfortable, safe, and productive. It is the backbone of modern society and helps in the development of science, technology, and education. Without electricity, the world would come to a standstill. That is why I believe it is one of the greatest inventions ever made. મિત્રો વિડીયોને લાઈક કરી દેશો, તમારા મિત્રોને પણ શેર કરશો. વિભાગ બી તરફ જોઈએ. Read the paragraph and answer the question given below. જોઈએ question 16. What do you mean by word herbivore? Answer. A herbivore is an animal that feeds only on plants. The paragraph states the black buck is a herbivore. It lives on grass, plants, flowers, and fruits. प्रश्न 17. What is the reason for hunting black buck? Black buck are hunted for their flesh and their skin. प्रश्न 18. Men use natural habitat of black buck. Men use natural habitat of black buck for domesticated cattle or building houses. प्रश्न 19. What is an average lifespan of black buck? The maximum lifespan recorded for a black buck is about 16 years. प्रश्न 20. How can a black buck be protected in India? The black buck is principally protected in India by the Wildlife Protection Act of 1972. મિત્રો બીજી વાત કે આપણે ચેનલ પર તમારા તમામ વિષયના સ્વાધ્યાયન પોથી, સ્વાધ્યાય, પ્રયોગ પોથી, નકશા પોથી વગેરેનું સોલ્યુશન તમામ રીતે મૂકેલો છે. તેની તમામે તમામ લિંક આ વિડીયોના ડિસ્ક્રિપ્શનમાંથી મળી જશે. ત્યારબાદ આગળ છે રીડ ધ ડેટા એન્ડ આન્સર ધ ક્વેશ્ચન ગિવન બિલો. પ્રશ્ન 21. What does this data show? This data shows the percentage distribution of car sales among different companies, Maruti, Hyundai, Ford, and Honda in year 2019-20. ત્યારબાદ 22. Which company has sold 4% more cars than Honda? Ford has sold 4% more cars than Honda. પ્રશ્ન 23. Name the company that has the lowest sales of cars. The company with the lowest sales in Honda. પ્રશ્ન 24. Which company is the most popular in car selling? Maruti is the most popular in car selling. ત્યારબાદ આગળ 5મા નંબર છે જોડકા જોડીએ. 25. રાની કી વાવ is situated in Patan. Option B, specifying location. 26. The result was declaring in June. Option C, describing time. And hurrah, we have got it. Option D, describing action. ત્યારબાદ choose and write the appropriate response to complete the conversation. જોઈએ 28. આર્યા. When do you do your homework? Rupesh, I do my homework at 6 o'clock in the morning. એટલે કે ઓપ્શન સી સાચો બનશે. ત્યારબાદ 29, when do you get poor marks in maths? Mount to get poor result because I don't like maths. એટલે કે ઓપ્શન બી સાચો બનશે. 30, જેની અંદર પહેલું લખવાનું છે સ્પેસિંગ ઇન્ફોર્મેશન. હરિતા છે where is the ATM? question mark. સ્પંદન, it is near the bus station. એટલે કે અહીં આપણો ઓપ્શન સી આવશે. ત્યારબાદ આગળ છે complete the sentence using the correct option focusing the function. જેની અંદર 31માં નંબરે છે imagine a school, તો આવશે આપણો ઓપ્શન બી. મિત્રો અહીં બી આપણું બનશે which is built with red bricks and has beautiful garden. આગળ વધીએ. 32, there are clouds in the sky, સાચું બનશે જેની અંદર it will rain today. ઓપ્શન એ. 33, take a large pot, I wash it well, એટલે કે ઓપ્શન બી. 34, complete the paragraph filling in the blanks with appropriate words from the bracket. જેમાં જોઈએ we are washing our natural resources. The act of deforestation has also created many problems. Each of us has to act sincerely to protect our environment. ત્યારબાદ question 8, find and write word having similar meaning. તો shiver તો થશે cold, frustrate થશે upset, gleaming તો lighting. ત્યારબાદ 38, read the dialogue and complete the indirect narrator given below choosing the correct option from the bracket. જોઈએ જેમાં પ્રિયાંશી તો કે greeted Sunil and asked him how he replied was Sunil replied her that he was fine and thanked her. He inquired her that she was free. Then Priyanshi agreed and requested him to tell her his problem. આગળ join the sentence using the appropriate conjunction in the bracket. આગળ 42 જોઈએ write the paragraph choosing the word from the bracket. તો ફકરો છે I remember my first day at Redcliffe College in 19. I knew there were challenges in my way but I was eager to overcome them. Do as directed. તો લખીશું begin like this. Mrs. Patel is very kind teacher. She is always ready to help her pupils. She enjoys his work doing. 44, begin like this થી જોઈએ the national flag was hoisted by the chief guest on the Independence Day. A short inspiring speech was given by him. ત્યારબાદ 11, select the question to get the underlined words या paragraphs as their answer. 45, our class teacher appointed Anil the monitor of our class. તો ઓપ્શન એ બનશે who appointed Anil the monitor of our class? question mark. 46, Anil visit me once a week. option A બનશે how often does Anil visit me? question mark. 47, where is little petrol in my car? C, how much petrol is there in your car? ત્યારબાદ 48, તેની અંદર write paragraph in about 125 words on the following. My dream robot. તો તેના વિશે લખીશું પોઈન્ટ આપેલા છે. My dream robot who I would name Aura would be sleek and futuristic in appearances with a smearing silver body and glowing blue eyes. Aura's primary skills would include advanced AI for computation and learning along with sophisticated mechanical capabilities for household tasks. I envision Aura not just a machine but as a friend capable of understanding emotion. and efforting comfort. Its facility would extend to managing my smart home, ensuring my comfort by adjusting lighting, temperature, and given preparing meals. Or a special qualities would be its unwavering loyalty and its ability to anticipate my needs, making it an dispensable part of my life. Or I would truly be my pride, a testament to technology advancement and heart health competition. 49. Kaushal writes an email to his friend Chrissy to attend the opening ceremony of his new house. Email from Kaushal Mistry. Subject to invitation to a housewarming ceremony. Dear Chrissy, I hope this email handle you well. I am thrilled to invite you to the opening ceremony of the new house it's located in. We are planning a small gathering to celebrate this new beginning of. તો અહીં તમારે ડેટ લખવાની છે. ત્યારબાદ your presence would mean a lot to me as we embark on this new chapter. Please let me know if you be able to make it by RSVP date so I can finalize the arrangement. Looking forward to celebrating with you. ત્યારબાદ 50. Write a report in about 60 words on your visit to museum. My visit to the museum was insightful, particularly the section on the progress of mankind. It showcased the evolution of weaponry from carved stone and tools to modern guns. The exhibit on the part of writing was fascinating, displaying how communication evolved from leaves and backclaim to percent sleek and printed books. Various printing styles throughout different races were also beautiful, presented offering a comprehensive view of human artistic and technological advancement. ત્યારબાદ 51. Describe the picture in about 10 sentences. પિક્ચર જુઓ અને 10 વાક્ય લખો. The picture depicts a hospital or clinic setting with several people present. In the foreground, a young boy sat on the gurney with a man in blue shirt stands nearby. To the left, a patient lies on a stretcher, attended by a person in green scarves. Another patient is in a wheelchair, being pushed by a person in a white coat. A doctor is examining a patient while a nurse prepares medication on a tray. In the background, a woman sits on a bench and child play with ball. The scene suggests a busy but caring environment where patients are being looked after by medical staff. તો મિત્રો આ પ્રમાણે તમારું સંપૂર્ણ જે છે યુનિટનું સોલ્યુશન કમ્પ્લીટ થાય છે. હવે આગળનું સોલ્યુશન અન્ય વિષયનું, ઇંગ્લિશનું કે કોઈ પણ બાકી હોય તમારા પ્રકારની લિંક આ વિડીયો ડિસ્ક્રિપ્શનમાં આપેલી હશે, ત્યાં જાઓ અને જોઈ લો. આ વિડીયો તમારા મિત્રોને અત્યારે જ શેર કરી દેશો.